Hi, YouTube. This is Josue with Forge Survival, and this video is about my everyday carry. First off, we got the Letterman Signal in blue. Very nice. Multi-tool, very nice, I guess. I got Don't Die in the Woods emergency blanket. It's 5x7, so it's like my shelter. And I got two emergency thermal blankets and a rain poncho thermal blanket thing. I got the Sulfurn SP33S 5000 lumen flashlight. Got two extra batteries for it. 8,000 mAh each. I got Bic liner with some Gorilla duct tape. I got some Gorilla duct tape. I got a Speedy Sharp knife sharpener. It sharpens anything, and it's super fun. Once you like learn how to use it, it you will sharpen up everything real fast, and it'll leave it really sharp. And what I got on my keys? Match Cap XL stormproof matches. Olight 3 EOS 100 lumen flashlight. Nail clippers, Leatherman Micro. Roll on 823. That's a lumen flashlight. And my Rogue on 83 by 500 lumen flashlight. And that's it. Thank you, YouTube, and make sure to subscribe.